Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Google Wallet using your phone. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Google Wallet. And then first you have to add a card to your wallet. You have to just tap on this plus icon and you can add the payment card by tapping on payment card, and you just have to add the details of your card, the card number, CVV code, your name and expiry date, and the card is going to be available in your wallet. And here is a quick tutorial how to use the contactless pay. So just tap on learn how to, and here are the few steps. Pay contactless wherever you see these symbols. Unlock your phone and hold it to the reader. Your payment has been successful when you see the tick mark. And add the card to get started. And by tapping on add card, it is going to open up the page that I just showed you a minute ago. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.